But I made another set that will be leaving for 2 weeks. The rice has swollen up a little bit. You can see. It's Rosemary and welcome back to the Mbamba's channel. Of course, my husband is always behind the scene. Anyway, today I'm really excited because it's been my postpartum hair loss was a big problem for me. I had my relaxed hair and then I cut it off, like I cut the whole thing off. I'm probably gonna find a picture of that and put it in there so I can start all over. I know the whole the whole natural hair journey is going to be tough, but I was willing to do something. I'd rather have a short, like full hair than a long scanty hair, you know. I think 3 months into it, my hair was only like 2 inches long. I wouldn't say that slow because I have 4C hair, so it was like only 2 inches long. And then I started the rice water, and today I am bold enough to finally edit that video. I wanted to see, you know, if it worked for me, because this has been an additional 3 months, so a total of 6 months, like my hair from the scratch. So I wanted to see if this works before posting this video. I'm gonna put a video of, you know, just one of the videos I made of how I do mine. Now mine may be different from yours, but it worked for me because I'd rather have this and it's still growing and it's really stressful to braid. But anyway, I'd rather have this than, you know, be where I was before. So keep watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. My rice water, how to make rice water video coming up soon, guys. Today I'm gonna start my rice water and I'm gonna show you how I am going to make mine. Yours might be different, but this is how I'm going to make mine, because I mean my hair is 3 months old. I cut the whole thing like up to this level, to like 0 point something inches, like the whole thing. But it's 3 months. It's not doing bad. I think it's growing, but it's breaking. It's breaking more than it's growing. So I mean, take a look. Oh, let me take this off so you can see. And then my edges are really breaking. So I'm gonna start my rice water and see if that's going to work. Let's go get started. So I have my 1 cup of rice, I have my sieve, and I have my, I'm going to use this because I don't have a jar with me right now. It's also glass. I have my spray bottle, and sometimes I use this cooler or this flat just to, like, you know, because I make 2 sets. And I have my orange peel, so this can help kill the smell. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my 1 cup of rice and probably about 2 cups of water on it. It doesn't really matter, there is no particular measurement. And I really want to like rinse it off. Look at all those debris. I like to do this like 2 times. And sometimes they use like chemicals and all that stuff. And then probably another cups of water. I normally do this for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. And now back to the water that I need. I normally do a lot and I keep it overnight. I mean, I keep it for like 2 weeks. I do more and I keep it for like 2 weeks. But for the sake of this video, I'm only doing it overnight for like 24 hours. And then I'm gonna go ahead and peel my orange. I got my orange peel. Probably should have closed this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Oh, it's long too. I'll put it inside and let it ferment. together with the rice. And I'll come back tomorrow. Since I don't have a jar, this way there is no air going in. In the next 24 hours to come, take a look and see what it has turned into. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours, or rather 23 hours. I couldn't wait anymore. We'll have to do something about all this, all these edges. So let's see what we got here. But I made another set that will be leaving for 2 weeks. The rice has swollen up a little bit, you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain the water out and then pour it inside my spray bottle. I'm spraying into here. You can use any kind of spray stuff you want, or sieve anything. You can sieve out the water. Like I said, this is my first rice water video, so I might be doing a lot of things wrong, but let's see what works. I'll be adjusting as time goes on. If this is working for me, get that color. If this works out for me, I keep using it. Alright, make sure it's working. Yeah. So let's go to the restaurant and do some rice water thingy. I can't wait. This has been long overdue. So first of all, I'm doing a porosity test, hair test, to see if mine is low or high porosity. These are the strands of my hair that have been sitting for 10 minutes, 10 whole minutes. See how they're still floating in there. They are not in the medium or all the way to the bottom. That's how I knew I have low porosity hair, which means I have to do a lot of deep conditioning and all that stuff. It's been sitting in there. Even I tried to push it, still coming back up. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying. I'll section it. I'll do section by section. Thank God for short hair, but I'm mostly targeting my scalp though. Targeting my scalp. If you're passing through what I'm passing through, you'll feel me. After all this, let's say I have another kid, and guess what? Hopefully the hair wouldn't fall off this time. Hopefully. I'm gonna do this for the rest of my hair. But now that I'm done with spraying it, look at that. I'm gonna walk through my roots. Even if my scalps, I'm root. Even if I already have done that. With my steaming cap. If this works out for me, guys, I'm gonna release this video in 3 months and see how it goes, or 4 months. I know this thing takes time. I'm gonna sit this way for the next, not sit here, but I'm gonna leave this on for the next 1 hour. And when I'm busy, I have to go to work out, I may leave it for the next 30 minutes. It's been a whole hour, and let's see what it looks like. There is poison in it. That looks so funny. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off, and I'm probably just going to rinse it off. Look at that, it's breaking. That's my problem. I have washed my hair and about to deep condition it. I just rinsed the whole thing off. I wasn't sure about using shampoo while doing it. I'm trying to fix this stuff to my head, bro. I use the Cantu product for now because I just went natural 3 months ago. So I'm up for any suggestions if you have a better product. So I'm gonna condition my hair, and then I'll be applying my This is TCB. It's from Nigeria. It's a leave-in treatment also with shea butter and coconut oil. And then I have my Jamaican castor oil, which I'll be applying after this. This is how I'll be conditioning. My portable blueberry. And if it doesn't, I won't be. Look at that. I rinsed off the conditioner. Natural hair is something else. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my leave-in treatment cream, shea butter, coconut oil. It's all combined. I'm still learning all this stuff. I've been putting just this once before I started my natural hair gummy. I don't know if I should call this cream or lotion. This is what it looks like. It makes the hair feel like put a tangle on it. That's the only way I can comb the hair. Unlike the Cantu lotion. And then my Jamaican oil. What I did is I put this bottle, so I try to warm it up. Never do that for like 10 seconds. Instead of pouring it somewhere and warming it up. I'll probably use my finger to detangle this, because if I don't do that now, if the hair dries up, then I'll be in deep trouble. Probably give it a few minutes for it to dry up, and then go ahead and braid. That way, I'm not shedding. My hair air dry for a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and just braid it. This is what it looks like right now. Shrink it. This is not the best. Let me do that thing. Let me see. Just put it in a little bit right before it gets completely dry. Doing the bigger braid. I'm gonna braid the rest of it. One day we shall get there. One day. This was a little small. This will make it big. The first time I'm braiding just 5 braids. I'm about to grab all this in a chunk. Okay, so there you go. This is so bad. Look at my edges falling off. But anyway, so I'm gonna keep it on braids for the next 2 weeks. Thank you. I really hope that video was helpful to you. Please like and subscribe, because I probably will be making an onion juice video, how I make my onion juice. I do that one, I think, also twice a month. Now you can do yours frequently. Oh, and I do the fermented rice here, of course. So you know, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.